Welcome to A through Z Reviews, where we bring you product awareness and reviews of different products and services. And today we have another product by Baker and Boats. And they did send this to me to bring you my review and my honest opinion about this product. So let's open it up and see what it looks like when we open it. Now this one does have plastic wrapped around the box, so we'll get that off. And then it has some tape on it, so we will cut that tape as well. And then let's see together what is in the layout of this tool set from them. Very nice layout. See if I can rotate it without dropping everything out of it. So let's see here. This actually feels very nice right now. I can tell you that. I like how these cases are made. They feel stronger. They feel like they will last longer. Open it up and you got your bits here. And it tells you the information on the case, which is very nice. Let's see. This is a very, very nice set. I definitely do, so far, like them. So far, all the cases feel strong, feels like they're going to last a long, long time, and that is nice. Let's see. Definitely got some different sizes and variety, which is good. Like these bigger ones here. Now, I probably, for my use case, probably won't use something that big. But if you need a variety of sizes, you can't go wrong with this kit. This is a really, really nice kit here. All different sizes, types, which is very nice. I really do like the fact that they have these sizes on the case, each case as well, which is very nice. Let's see. And again, the case has the sizes on it. The last one here, and the sizes. The cases feel really good quality for a case like this. Not super flimsy, doesn't feel like it's gonna break, after opening and closing them several times. They honestly, they don't feel like they're going anywhere. You wouldn't want to do this in most cases with your cases, but it really does feel like good quality of a case. Also, I'm not sure, let me take this out here. I'm not sure if you can see this, but we will try. If I can get it to focus. but you have the sizes on each of your bits here, which is really nice and stuff. So you'll be able to know what case they came out of and quickly put them back in and put them in order and stuff if you like to keep your stuff in order. This is a really good set. I really do like this set. I like the cases. They feel heavy duty. They don't feel like they will, strip out or, mess up very easily. Overall, really good quality here. And my personal opinion, again, I don't have anything to use these on. So, I can't say 100%, hey, this is not going to strip out on you. I can't say that. I can say that they are really good. They feel really solid. They feel like they will last a long time if you use them properly. So with this set here, I am going to rate this a 5 out of 5 stars. It is a 96-piece master screwdriver bit set. And it all feels good quality. Even the cases feel good quality and stuff that the bits go into, which I really do like. So I will have the product information and links in the description of this video where you can go and look at them, see if they are a good fit and what you're looking for. I will also have the store, the Amazon storefront, so you can check out the other products and stuff they have as well. So I do thank the company for sending me this to be able to bring you my honest and unbiased review of their product. They do not influence my reviews at all. That's an honesty that I have for each and every viewer. Because let's face it, you never want to buy something that ain't going to last or ain't good quality. It's a waste of money, it's a waste of time, and we don't want that. And that's exactly why I started this YouTube channel. So please do, if you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up. And if you want, please subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notifications so you can get notified when we bring other product reviews and brand awareness of different products and services. Until next time, may you have a blessed and wonderful day.